everybody. Buonasera a tutti. I want to welcome you back to Big Mama Siciliana's Gather live on Instagram. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming on and watching. Tonight is just a reminder of what I said last week. The Italians of Montreal and Friends, also under the name of Friends for Cause, are doing a draw. Here it is for this beautiful pasta and sauce basket. All you have to do to enter the draw is like the Facebook page Friends for Cause and tag 2 people. So that's it. To get a chance to win this beautiful pasta basket, just like the page on Facebook, Friends for Cause, and tag 2 people, and you'll automatically be entered in the contest that will take place on July the 19th. It's a Sunday, so I'll be going live on the 19th to draw out the name of the lucky winner who's going to win the basket. So, happy Canada Day also. It's July 1st. Happy Canada Day to all the Canadians out there. And tonight I have another special guest for your entertainment. His name is, well, it's what he goes by, is Rick Ram. He's a local DJ here, and he's going to tell us all about his career, how he started, and what he's all about. So let's see if he's on. Here he is. So guys, let's welcome DJ. Drum roll. Hello there. How are you?
How you doing, Big Mama? How's everything there?
I'm good. Thank you. Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day to you too. I saw you had a flag in the background on the show last week, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna put my flag in the background.
All right. Fantastic.
Good.
So, it's nice to meet you. We've never met in person, but it's nice to meet you here virtually. Tell us about yourself and what you do, how you got into the career of the DJ. First of all, tell us about yourself.
So about myself, I've been born and raised in Montreal. Grew up in Montreal North, so I learned a bit of Italian. You know, buonasera, benvenuto a tutti. You know, so I know a bit of Italian. A lot of swear words too, of course.
Well, yeah, those are the first you learned. So what is your nationality?
My father's from Trinidad and Tobago, and my mother is half Haitian, half French. But I was born and raised here in beautiful Montreal. So
wow, nice mix. It's a nice mix. Interracial couple, make beautiful kids, and you're a handsome man. So there you go, you're proof of it.
yeah, and you know, for myself, meeting you, the way that we got together, a friend that we have in common, Jack Palladino, and he told me, Rick, you really got to get in touch with Big Mama. So I said, you know what? When I saw the show last week with Heavy T, I said, you know what? Yeah, this is the show I want to be on. You know, so
Sure.
so that's it. About myself, I mean, I've been a DJ MC for the past 30 years. Been in the the wedding industry, the club industry, and of course now at this time with the pandemic, we don't have anything going on right now. So I have the home setup right here. Eventually, I guess I'll get to it and do some mixing, maybe live on Instagram or on Facebook. But for now, yeah, there's no shows going on, and we're waiting until the government opens up the halls, and then we'll see what will go on from there. You know.
Great. So you do weddings. You usually do weddings. That's like summertime is your big season.
Summertime is my big season. However, this year we were blessed. We had a couple of events in February. So I had my first wedding in February, which was great. And
Okay.
sudden in March they said no, everything is canceled. So I'm lucky that a lot of my clients have postponed their weddings till 2021. So I'm blessed with that. But we're keeping our fingers crossed that we'll be able to get some shows going on. And,
Absolutely.
as for myself, I started just like a little kid at home in high school. Started mixing records, and then you know what, I said, hey, I really like this, and decided to do some stuff. I played many clubs in Montreal, and now that's it. Just enjoying the time off and relaxing for now. So that's it.
Yeah, a lot of relaxing. But do you have a regular like 9 to 5 job, or is this just what you do?
Yeah, I do have a 9 to 5, and I adjudicate risk for a Canadian bank. Not going to say their name, but well,
Okay.
hey, you declined me. Why? But yeah, I do that 9 to 5, and then on the weekends I have my time to do this.
Yeah,
So.
DJ, great, fantastic. So, did you prepare a little mix that we can see? Maybe you can play some music for us, so the people can see what your
No,
talent is.
because of the copyright. If we play something, of course, Facebook and Instagram are gonna
Oh yeah, you're right.
shut us down, and
That's true.
that's it.
That's
So
true.
definitely, I didn't prepare anything really, but eventually one day I'll get on and do a live.
Okay. So how can people find you? Like, if they're looking for a DJ for their event, whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, how do they get in touch with you? How do they find you?
Yeah, well, basically, you can find me at djrickram.com on my website, or also through Facebook. And also, I work with an associate. His name is Johnny Mix. So definitely feel free to reach out to Johnny Mix. And definitely, we love doing all types of weddings, and we definitely try to create a good vibe. Nothing cheesy. Create a good vibe to get the event going, and definitely take care of all of their guests that are there to see them. So.
Do you MC as well, or you just play music?
Yeah, I MC. Back in the day, I used to do both DJ and MC, but I found that it's a bit tough to do both, and be at the console and then engage with your clients. So
yeah,
we're a two-man team, and I find that it's a lot easier for me to engage with my couples and their guests being there. And also I got the man in the back who is basically playing the great tunes, and we feed off of each other. So sometimes I might be like, oh, I'm not really getting this crowd. Well, he might tell me, well, try this, and maybe he might need help with a specific song, and I'll say, well, I'll try this, and that's it. So we're a great team.
You get the crowd going, dancing, because at every party you want the crowd on the dance floor, you want them having a good time. So it's very good that, because most people, when they get a DJ, they just get the DJ. But as with you, they get a DJ and an MC, so they don't have to work for anybody to come along as a third party to MC and entertain the crowd, because obviously whoever's throwing the party is very busy entertaining their guests, so they don't want to MC as well. So it's a fantastic thing you've got going there. You're MC, DJ, entertainment. You're all the same thing in one nutshell.
Yeah, definitely.
Very good. So guys, if you wanna give them a call, book them for hopefully future events, because right now they're at a standstill. DJRickRam.com. Give him a shout. He'll give you a quote, and I'm sure he's gonna give you the best service he can. He's got 30 years under his belt of experience. I'm sure he's gonna deliver a fantastic entertainment night for your event. So thank you very much for coming on.
Thank you, Big Love, for having me.
My pleasure. I wish you all the best, and stay safe, and be out.
All right, take care.
Take care. Ciao, ciao. So there you have it, folks. DJRickRam.com. If you want to contact him for an event, I know that right now as it is with this COVID, it's very difficult to have an event, even to do a wedding. There's a lot of weddings that have been canceled. There's others that went ahead with it, but had to do a lot of they had to do a lot of modifications to their plans as how they wanted it, as opposed to how they need to have it now to be safe. But keep him in mind, DJ Rick Ram. He's got 30 years experience. I mean, this guy didn't start yesterday. He did 30 years of DJing in clubs, at parties. He knows what he's doing. And at the same time, it's a 2-for-1, because he MCs while his partner mixes up the music. So you don't have to worry about entertaining your guests and getting them dancing, because he's going to do that all for you. So it's wonderful to have people like this. I want to thank him again for coming on. Tonight, I'm going to cut it a little short because it is Canada Day. A lot of people are out and celebrating and just enjoying the day off. So, guys, I want to thank you very much for coming on. And also remember, you can always shop online and support the causes that the Italians of Montreal and Friends believe in. It's called Friends for Cause. It's Friends, the number 4, cause.myshopify.com. And if you like the page on Facebook and tag 2 people, you can run a chance of winning this beautiful gift basket with a colander. You got pasta, you got sauce. All you got to do is like the page on Facebook and tag 2 people. You're automatically in the draw. I will be doing the draw the 19th of July. So good luck to all of you. And come sempre, ci vediamo presto. See you next Wednesday with another guest. Ciao, ciao, everybody. Salutamo.